Hello there, I'm Dr. Dileem, your favorite family physician. My mission is to help you and your family stave off unwanted and unexpected visits to the emergency departments of hospitals by helping you and your families make healthy lifestyle choices. Now, lockdowns are on from state to state, starting with Lagos State, and tomorrow we'll be starting in Kano. And so today I'm going to be talking about water and self-isolation. Yes, so I stepped out to get some of the drinking water that we'll be needing for a couple of days and all of that. I did not find the brand I usually consume or that we consume at home, and for some reason I was skeptical about getting an alternative brand. And then it just struck me, you know how they say necessity is the mother of invention. It just struck me, oh, I had an alternative at home that I did not remember and I had not used in a long time. Now, what is that alternative? It's called WaterGuard. I was introduced to WaterGuard in the medical school. Now, in medical school, we had postings in some communities, and on heading to the community, we're all given WaterGuard to use to purify the water that we're going to drink to make it potable. In those villages, there was no pure water. It was only water from well. There were no boreholes, if I remember correctly. And like I said, that was when I was introduced to WaterGuard. And so some time ago, I just saw it while I was shopping, and I decided to buy a bottle. And now here comes the need for having bought that bottle, and I'm going to put it to good use right away. So I'm going to show us how to use WaterGuard. If you run out of potable water, if you run out of drinking water at home, and you're staying at home and you cannot step out to buy water, and you live in Nigeria, you cannot find pure water, and you don't even have bottled water at home, well, here's a good option. All you just have to do is use some of the water you have at home, purified, and it's good for drinking, of course. I'll take us through the steps right now, and let's see how that goes. Alrighty. Of course, this is what the WaterGuard looks like. I think this is a newer design. This is a WaterGuard newer design. I bought this more recently than this. So this is what it looks like. It looks like these little bottles of yogurt and drinks that children take at home. And so you have to be very careful when you buy this now that children are home, so that they will not just open it and pop it into their mouth. That's one of the ways of avoiding poisoning in children, avoiding WaterGuard poisoning in children. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is, like I said, this is a more recent bottle for the WaterGuard, and this is an older bottle for the WaterGuard. So all you have to do is to get a 25-liter jerry can, fill it up with water, open it, and then voila, you can now put some WaterGuard into the bottle. For this bottle, for a 25-liter jerry can, it is recommended that you use only a cap of the WaterGuard. You pour only a cap of the WaterGuard into the bottle. Now here is the cap full of WaterGuard, and I just pour it into 25-liter jerry can, and I wait for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes after, the water becomes potable for drinking and safe for drinking. All right. If the water is a bit dirty, or if it is dirtier than regular, you can add 2 cups of the WaterGuard into it, and then you just drink. It's good to go. If you like this video, or if this video helped you in any way, I'd like you to share with your friends, with your family, and with your loved ones. I'd also like you to click on the subscribe button. Remember to follow us on all our handles. I love you. I love your health. Bye.